everyone, it's me, Joanna. Just wanted to hop on here and show you two of my latest creations, two journals that I was asked to make. And so this one here is for a person by the name of Rose. And I was given little details about each person to kind of make the journals personal. So this person loves angels. This bookmark here has July 13th, 1974. It was a certain date that was given to me, and then also the numbers 1981 and 1987. So just some certain, some dates rather that were precious to this person. I added a few little pockets for pictures and other things that can be added. And I added a few little rose details on a few of the pages. I was told that, well, obviously she likes roses. Her name is Rose. So anyway, I added little embellishments of roses and inking on the papers. All the papers are dyed with chai tea, so it has a really nice aroma. And once again, another little pocket, little embellishment here, and then the back cover, which I ended up loving. I almost wish I would have used this for the front, but anyway, it is what it is. I'll fix that. And so this one is for Rose, and then this one is for Laura. So same kind of ideas. Loves angels, and I add a little embellishment there to the front. I don't know if you see, and yeah, little pockets, like I said. This woman, she loves like wildflowers and daisies and what else? Sunflowers, I think it was. So I tried to add those little embellishments just to make it personal for her. So I didn't stamp all of the pages, just where the signatures are. And then she loves angels, obviously. Just another little pocket for her to add things. And then for her bookmark, once again, she loves sunflowers and daisies, so I just patinaed this brass. And then on the back, there was a certain quote that she loved. It was somewhere between hello and goodbye, there was love, which I will absolutely adore. It's really sweet. And down here we've got 5, and then I put sis. And then the back. So yeah, this is an image transfer onto brass. I've showed the process on my channel. Also, here's the Coptic stitch, which I love to do. So anyway, I'm looking forward to dropping these off. I hope they meet my customers' expectations. And yeah, I hope this encourages you in some kind of way to use your creativity, and just to be reminded that you're loved and that you're special and that Jesus loves you. Take care. Bye.